Hello everyone, I'm Alvin. Welcome to my Excel Basic tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your spreadsheet look better. And first of all, I wanna do is merge and center. Here at the top of my transcript is a title of my whole spreadsheet, but it's a little off to the side, so I want to make it in the center of my whole data. And I can first click on the cell and hold on and drag it to the right. So make it wider. This is our range. And I want to find merge and center. You can find it in the Home tab, Home ribbon, Alignment group. This is merge and center. So you click on it and look what is done. It was put in the center of my whole data successfully. However, it doesn't have anything to make your title stand out and look different. So I'm gonna click on the cell and click at the top of the Home tab in the Home ribbon. In Font group, I click Bold to give it a bold look so that helps it stand out. And I can also use the pen bucket tool to paint the background to yellow. But if you don't want anything in your background, you can just click beside the little icon. There's a little arrow. Click on it and go no fill. But this case, I want to go light blue. Alright, and you also can change the text color itself. You can just click the font color to give it red. And if you want to another color, you can choose here. But this time I want to go back to black. Alright, and in addition, you can also use italicize or underline. And notice that you can click on the little arrow and next to the underline icon. You can get even more function. You can choose double underlines. Those are good options to make your text stand out a little bit. Alright, so next I'm going to tell you how to insert border. And you can find the button in the Home tab, Home ribbon, Font group in the left corner. So I'm going to show you how to insert border. And when you insert border, make sure you describe the correct range. So I click on the first cell and hold on and drag it to my whole data like this. Okay, and I found the border button on the font group, so I click on the little arrow on the right of the button. I'm going to choose all border. And the border will be filled in the spreadsheet. And I also can let my spreadsheet look more tidy. So make it apparent, I can choose the outside border. Alright, it's very beautiful. So after inserting the table border on your spreadsheet, this is the result. And this is my third class. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Bye.